I'm Dr. Geetu. Basically, I'm a lactation counselor and a nutritionist here. So I'm just going to deal with why breastfeeding is very important, and everybody keep on saying that breastfeeding is mandatory and has a very important role in child's life as well as for the mothers. So first of all, I just want to know, anybody has any kind of an, apart from normal vitamin supplement, they've been taking any kind of a medication or any diet or GDM, or patient with a thyroid is here? Thyroid. Yours is? Thyroid. और हमें वो तो पता ही है जल्दी खा तो. So I just want to know few things first, that people keep on saying about food in pregnancy. So first of all, I just want to know the don'ts in pregnancy. Do you actually feel that there is any kind of a don'ts in pregnancy which we don't have to eat, at all in pregnancy? So one by one.
Papaya and pineapple.
Pineapple and papaya. Okay. You? Junk food. Processed cheese. कुछ नहीं पता. हाँ जी. Ajinomoto. Tea, coffee. Cold drinks. Ajinomoto, she said. So one is said papaya. So why we say that papaya is not good in pregnancy, though it's a fibrous fruit. In a, if any patient or any person goes to a dietitian or a nutritionist and says as a constipation, the first thing in a fruit she recommends is a papaya. And in pregnancy, obviously, in the second trimester when we go, we see that yes, the constipation is the very common thing happens. And though we are saying no to papaya, why? कुछ तो होगा ऐसा. बस ऐसी बड़ों ने कह दिया, उसने कह दिया तो मान लो. हाँ जी. Why? So first thing is papaya.
एक सेकंड में
नहीं पता. चलो. Ajinomoto is the second thing. Yes, obviously we say papaya. Why we say that? Because it has an enzyme papain, okay, which may, it's not assurance, that which may lead to abortion in first trimester. That is the only concept. But in an Indian trend and all, everybody, why we also say no to papaya? Because the culture has been coming out from the family and all, not at all papaya. Though ideally it's a first trimester only which affects, and especially in a raw. If you have a proper cooked, proper ripe papaya, you can easily have throughout your pregnancy. People are there who eat, but due to the respect of the family, due to the psychological factor, we say no to papaya. Same as with pineapple. It also has one enzyme which may create, miscarriage. But it's nothing been proven that yes, actually this is the only factor for the miscarriage. But surely when we talk about Ajinomoto, why we say Ajinomoto, no to Ajinomoto, हम specially Chinese food बना कर देते हैं बाहर का. Ajinomoto की वजह से. क्यों? Again, what is Ajinomoto? It's a salt only. Then okay. So it is a salt which may lead to brain, brain hemorrhage or non-development of a, brain or a mental growth for the child. So that's why we say no to Ajinomoto, but it's been proven in some studies as well. So that's why we say completely and strictly no to Ajinomoto. Thirdly, you said junk food. यार कौन मना करता है junk food? Junk food तो सिर्फ हम इसलिए मना करते हैं क्योंकि डिलीवरी के बाद when you'll come कि हमारा वजन बहुत बढ़ा हुआ है यार, उसको वो कर दो, कम कर दो. पहले ही जंक फूड हम कम खाएंगे तो उतना एक्स्ट्रा वेट ही नहीं बढ़ाए. Because in a pregnancy, normal 12 to 15 kg weight gain is very, very, very normal, and everybody has to have that. अगर हम 20 किलो एक में बढ़ा लेंगे एक प्रेगनेंसी में, and then we wanted to shed, तो ये तो कहेंगे आपने बहुत सारा जंक खाया था और जंक को अवॉइड करो. That is the only reason of saying. Otherwise, we never say that you can't have golgappas, you can't have burgers and all. It depends upon your thing. Fine. But yes, again, the junk food from where you've been eating, that's going to be a hygienic place, proper place. You have to see the conditions from where you've been. The street food, we obviously say not to eat from there because of, again, the conditions, the cleanliness. The next, who said one more now, apart from the junk food? Processed चीज का कोई concept है. Why you are saying? Can't to digest. Bread कैसे खाते हो? Hard to. Bread कैसे खाते हो? Bread क्या है? Junk के अलावा वो भी तो processed है यार. Bread तो you are eating daily. So what happened to cheese? It's a protein and fats only. It's a good to eat. Though we recommend. The people comes with GDM. We take a bit of a carbs and we add good amount of proteins and fats to their diet. Fats are not a problem for the GDM. So we usually add cheese so that they'll get proteins as well as they'll get a sustainable energy. Fifth, so this is wrong, this is wrong. Then fifth,
sesame seeds.
sesame seeds, तिल. क्यों? क्यों?
हॉट रहता है ऐसे
Hot?
बोलते हैं ऐसे
अच्छा बोलते हैं. When you talk scientifically, हमारे लिए ठंडा गरम कुछ नहीं होता आंटी. It's all in your mind. Patient come to me, so she takes 10 almonds, 2 walnuts every day, and she took throughout her pregnancy, though more than 10 almonds and 2 walnuts, because that is my recommendation for every first person who enters in my room. ठीक है. अब मैं उसको ये नहीं कहती तुम इसको भिगो के खाओ या इसको बिना भिगोए खाओ. Yes, but the patients say to me कि मेरी मदर ने या मेरी मदर इन लॉ ने या मेरी सिस्टर ने या मेरे पड़ोसी ने उसने ये कहा है कि बादाम और अखरोट गर्म होते हैं. We respect that. We respect. क्यों? क्योंकि एक चीज हमारे दिमाग में आ गई. The negativity comes in a mind और कुछ हो जाएगा तो हम उसी को लेके बैठ जाएंगे कि वो उसकी वजह से हुआ है. Otherwise, that what I'm giving an example. I have a patient. She delivered very well, everything, and she was taking 10 to 15 almonds every day throughout her pregnancy, and 2 to 4 almonds. Sorry, 2 to 4 walnuts in a day, without soaking. Nothing happened. ठीक है. ऐसे जब हम sesame seeds की बात करते हैं, we do recommend in pregnancy sometimes. Why? Because it has a good amount of calcium. Though we recommend black sesame seeds, it has iron as well. Yes, हम जब sesame खाते हैं तो in an Indian trend हम कितना खाएंगे? या तो तड़के में डालेंगे या वो गच्चक जो आती है वो सर्दियों की उतना खा लेंगे और वो भी हमसे बहुत नहीं खाई जाती. And that's normal enough. We are not hogging on that. So if you are eating anything in a moderation, is absolutely fine. Is absolutely fine with that. And when you are putting, ऐसे तो हम जीरा कह रहे हैं, ठीक है, लोग कहते हैं गरम होता है वो भी. And we do put, हम हर सब्जी में डालते हैं और दिन में 4 सब्जी बन रही है, वो 4 सब्जी में जीरा जा रहा है. सेसमे में तो हमने 4 दिन में एक बार खाएंगे या हफ्ते में एक बार खाएंगे, बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव अ ट्रेंड ऑफ दैट. ठीक है जी. अगर आपको GDM के सिम्टम्स आए हैं एंड ऑल्सो व्हाट इज द वीक ऑफ योर प्रेगनेंसी, व्हाट इज द जेस्टेशनल टाइम ऑफ योर, यू नो, हाउ यू आर इन व्हिच ट्राइमेस्टर? 30 weeks. So it's nothing like that we say you can't have sweets, but yes, in a pregnancy we say whatever you've been eating, that has to be proper, it has to be nutritionally rich, and it has to be balanced. Anything extra, or if we've been eating more than the recommendation, then what we are doing, we are actually, you know, compensating one nutrient over other. So that is the only concept. So we never say you can't have sweets, or you can't have salt, or you can't have any other thing. But yes, when you're fulfilling or you're completing your balanced and a nutritional food in a whole day, and you want to have something extra, you can have whatever you feel like. But just see that the extra weight won't be a problem for you. The most important and the new thing what we say is the chocolates, which nobody sells. Why we say chocolates? No to chocolates in pregnancy nowadays. So now we have started saying, because this also one of the study came earlier. So the chocolates are again they have caffeine, some, correct? So that's why we stopped recommending that. It can or it may lead to some, you know, problem to the growth of the child. So that's why we keep on saying. So the papaya is the thing which is coming from decades. So we usually say no to papaya and pineapple, because this is the trend. It is the trend. This is just because of a trend. Ajinomoto, surely we strongly say no to Ajinomoto. Junk food, depending upon the patient's reports and all everything, how much in a moderation or according to their mood swings we say. Then processed cheese, we never say that you can't have processed cheese. Sesame seeds is also, we never say that you can't have sesame seeds, but yes, in a moderation you can easily have. Chocolates we strongly recommend.
Papaya throughout the delivery? We need
Throughout the delivery we say we don't want to take any kind of a hassle in this. So throughout pregnancy we say no to papaya.
But I do have papaya 1 or 2 times.
That's okay. That's not a problem. Not on a daily basis.
What about jackfruit?
You can have. There is nothing like in a jackfruit.
There are a lot of videos that you should not eat jackfruit after evening hours or
ऐसा कुछ नहीं.
कुछ नहीं है.
ऐसे तो बहुत सारी वीडियोस ऐसे भी कि आपको फ्रूट 5 बजे के बाद खाना ही नहीं चाहिए.
हाँ.
फिर so please see so many things are available on YouTube. So many things are available. अगर आपको कुछ है तो दवाइयाँ भी यार गूगल पर है. Why you come to a doctor? Why you come to a doctor? See, we are not, especially I never say the thing written or whatever is there is completely wrong. It's been area specific probably, it's been individual specific. Like so many patients come to me, like we have diabetic clinic as well, and it's like we have a good number of patients of diabetes, and everybody comes and say, madam इतनी सारी videos है, आप तो आम मना कर देती हो, सब तो कहते हैं आम खाना चाहिए. मैंने मना में I keep on saying I never say that you can't have mangoes, but see your sugar levels. It depends upon your HbA1c, your fasting and PP, which make me to give you how much fruit I can give you, and discuss with your doctor, which is really important.